Hello friends, welcome and thanks for watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I will show you how to fix if iPhone says your software is up to date but actually it is not. Then keep watching this video. Before start please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notifications. Let's go to the video. First of all open Safari browser and search for betaprofile.com. After that scroll down and download iOS beta profile. Tap download and a pop-up window will automatically appear on your screen and we have to tap on allow profile downloaded. Now go to setting, then general, scroll down and tap profile and device management. Tap iOS 13 beta profile, tap to install, put passcode, tap install again to confirm. Now we have to restart our iOS device. After restart, go to setting, then general and check software update. And the beta profile will appear on software update page. After that we have to go back in setting and general and go to profile and device management and remove the beta profile. Tap remove to confirm. After removing the beta profile, go back to software update, tap on it and your problem will be solved. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful then please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.